Welcome back. Memphis leaders are heading to launch Tennessee's annual Entrepreneur Conference in Nashville next week. The event brings together hundreds of innovators, startup founders, and investors for a full day of panels examining the forces that shape Tennessee's economy. Here to talk more about the upcoming summit is one of its attendees. Please welcome Anthony Young, President and CEO of Epicenter. Mr. Young, welcome to 3 at 3. Glad to have you here. How are things going with you?
Things are going quite well. Thank you.
My pleasure. Before we get into the conference itself, let's talk about Epicenter. I know a big part of your focus is making sure African-American owned businesses thrive. Why so?
Yeah, so Epicenter is the region's leading entrepreneurial development organization. We act as the hub of innovation and entrepreneurship. Essentially what that means is really two things. So one, we exist to help spur the creation of venture-backable companies. Two is to connect founders with the resources that they need to build, grow, and scale their companies right here in the region. We do it primarily through programs. One of those programs is our 0 to 510 medical device accelerator, and we're taking our entrepreneurs to the conference that you mentioned.
Right.
Thursday.
And for those who don't know, Epicenter has already helped more than 1,000 entrepreneurs. That number is huge.
Yeah, close to 2,000.
2,000
right.
now.
Yeah. So Epicenter was formed in 2015, got our independence in 2017, and so for the last 8 years, we work with over 1,700 entrepreneurs. We helped to catalyze over $100 million in resources. We've deployed in non-dilutive our grant funding well over $1 million. And just this year alone, we've helped to form 13 companies, and we've worked with over 100 entrepreneurs so far this year.
That is a lot. You all are reaching a lot of folks for sure.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the conference now. And this is really important for a lot of startups, for innovators, and for whom?
Absolutely. So I think it's really great for the entire state, right? So this is Launch Tennessee's conference. They bring people from all over the state to really celebrate entrepreneurship, innovation, access to capital. They've got a lot of great speakers. We're going to take a cohort of our entrepreneurs to the conference. I think it's a great way for them to network, right? So entrepreneurs need access to capital, access to customers, and access to a community. And we think this is a great way to get it going for them.
So for something like this, are you up close and personal? Can you really get that information, that advice that's really tangible, that you can really feel to maybe make a difference in your own business, or what?
Absolutely, you can. So last year, I think the 3686 conference had over 900 attendees. They're expecting more this year. A part of their programmatic piece of that conference is they allow one-on-one conversation. So you can book a one-on-one meeting with an investor. You can book a one-on-one meeting with a mentor. So they have a really intimate approach to the work.
And you have people from all over the country coming here, coming to Nashville at least. When it comes to the entrepreneurial spirit, so to speak, you know, we think about FedEx, for example. Is it still alive and well in the city of Memphis? Where do you think it stands today? Yeah,
so what I would say is that we've got momentum right now, right? We've got momentum. We turn that momentum into a moment, and our hope is that that becomes a movement. And Epicenter, as the leading entrepreneur organization, is really helping to drive that. We've got our own conference coming up October the 8th through the 10th as well.
So who needs to be at that one as well?
Everybody, right? So our entrepreneurs, ecosystem stakeholders, investors, we're having a regional conference that brings everybody in from the Delta region. It's called Deltech 2025. And the subtitle of that is that culture fuels innovation. And we believe that what makes it different here, entrepreneurship different here in Memphis, is the culture. It's the vibrancy, it's the people, it's the history, it's the food. It's the entire vibe of the city that drives innovation, and we think that innovation needs to be highlighted on a regional level.
If that regional level is highlighted and taken to that next level, 5 years from now, maybe 10 years from now, what do you hope to see in Memphis when it comes to this?
So a couple of things. I want Memphis to be recognized as an emerging tech hub, right? We've heard the term digital delta. You know, really what that means is that we're a community that's thriving from a workforce development perspective, research, from public policy, and as well as entrepreneurship, and we're having success stories and exits from our entrepreneurs.
Are those doors open for everybody, or especially even people of color? Where do we stand and what needs to be done there?
Absolutely, right? So Epicenter is intentionally inclusive. We are the catalyst of inclusive innovation. And so for us, it's important that we have programs that are welcoming to everyone. We've got a ton of cohorts and accelerators that are happening throughout the year, and we're looking forward to finishing strong with our Dell Tech Conference in 2025.
So again, Nashville next week, but another big conference coming up right here in Memphis in October.
Yep, Nashville next week, Dell Tech Conference October the 8th through the 10th.
All right, we'll see you again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Glad to have you here.
Glad to be here.